Hello everyone! I'm so excited to share. I've just launched my visual Feng Shui book, a beginner's guide to finding your dream home. And yes, it's completely visual, packed with fun illustrations that explain all the essential Feng Shui concepts you need when you go house hunting. And as a bonus, you also get a free house hunting checklist and Feng Shui reference tools to bring with you to every inspection. So whether you're planning to buy, rent, renovate, or rebuild your home, this book is for you. It's now available on Amazon and I've put the link in the description below. Let's be honest, house hunting is already exhausting. And if you want to consider Feng Shui on top of that, it can feel a bit overwhelming. I totally get it. That's why I created this book, so you can narrow down your options faster and with more confidence. And let me quickly go through what's inside the book. First, we start with the external Feng Shui. The external environment is super important in Feng Shui because it determines the quality of qi that flows into the house. The landforms, road shapes, and nearby structures, they all can affect the vibe of your surroundings. Then we explore house shapes and floor numbers. I've included a cheat sheet that helps you choosing the right floor number based on your zodiac animal sign. Next, we go room by room through the interior, from the front door to the living, the kitchen, dining area, bedroom, and bathrooms. You'll quickly identify key Feng Shui design issues that many people miss. And finally, we dive into something most people completely overlook: the hidden energy. This is something you can't see on a floor plan. And that's actually what I want to focus on with you today, because understanding this can make all the difference when choosing the right home. First, it's always a good idea to ask the seller or agent about the history of the home, because you're not just buying a house, you're stepping into its energy. Here are some quick questions to start with. Why is the home being sold? Has it had any major renovations or repairs? Are there any known issues or past maintenance records? Even if a home looks perfect on the surface, energy from the past can still linger. Maybe the previous owners lived a peaceful and prosperous life, which is great. But what if it's a space that has absorbed years of conflict, illness, or financial hardship? This negative energy can quietly affect the new occupants. So it's always important to understand the history. And if you can't find any clear answers from the agent or online records, try speaking with the neighbors. You'd be surprised how much local communities remember. And if the price seems too good to be true, it's worth asking why. Compare it with similar homes in the same area. From a Feng Shui perspective, if something horrific happened in the house, it can leave behind a residue negative energy that may still impact future occupants. But if the house has been demolished or rebuilt, then it's a different story. That's considered a new cycle of energy and a fresh beginning, so you don't have to worry too much. During your inspection, pay attention to the condition of the home. Are there cracks in the ceilings or walls? Are all switches, taps, and lights functioning properly? Does the foundation feel stable? If possible, try to schedule a house inspection on a rainy day. That's when you are most likely to spot hidden issues like roof leaks, water damage. And from a Feng Shui perspective, leaking means losing wealth. And of course, you need to check the surrounding environment. What's next door? Is it cemetery or is it power station? They all can cause imbalance of yin and yang. What's across the road? Is there a sharp corner, a T-junction, or dead tree? Remember, you're not just buying a house, you're buying into its surroundings. Don't worry if you can't remember, because I've included everything in my visual Feng Shui book. At the end of the day, you deserve a home that looks good, feels good, and supports you in every way. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, and share. See you next time.